First, let's find a set of 2 black keys. Underneath, there are 3 white keys. And the first white key is our first note, C. From there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th key is our second note, G. Once you find C and G, you are ready to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. In piano, when notes go up, we play to the right, and when they go down, we play to the left. We can step up to the next note, or we can jump up like from C to G. First, let's play C 2 times, and G 2 times, and step up to play 2 times, and return to G. And we're gonna step down, step down, step down, but we play 2 times each. 2, 2, 2, and we land on C. Let's continue. Let's play G. Let's go to G and play 2 times. G, G. Step down, play 2 times. 1, 2. Step down. 1, 2. And step down, play 1 time. And we return to G and do the exactly same thing. G, 2 times. And we land on D again. And we're gonna play the beginning part. C, C, G, 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 and we land on C.